Recieving Chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson. We have Craig back with us today after a great weekend in the state of Texas powerlifting competition. He actually broke 2 state records, right?
Yes, sir. In the squat and the total.
Squat and total. And you've been training for this for over about a year now, right?
Well,
6 months?
Training hard for 4 to 6 months, and then...
And coming here for that amount of time, too.
Here, right.
So, he tweaked his SI joint a little bit while he was up there lifting all that weight, but I saw his video he did on it. It looked great. Let's have you flex your head forward and backwards for me. And then neutral. He's just a little bit forward and a little bit off to the right, and his pelvis has shifted a little bit to the left on the x-axis. So we're going to decompress him first, since he's had all that compressed weight on top of him all week. Well, congratulations, that's a big win. You've been looking forward to that, huh? There we go. You know, most of the powerlifters and weightlifters that we take care of and pro athletes say they can definitely see an improvement in their performance and their recovery time with getting chiropractic treatment.
Oh, yeah.
How's that feel to you?
Oh, for sure. It helps keep me straight and also lessens the pain.
There you go. Should have felt that all the way down.
Yeah, sure did.
Good. All right. Boy, that's perfect. Yes, sir. Okay, let's come over here on your tummy.
Well, the difference too is, since I've been coming to you, is I've been doing this pain-free. So.
Yeah, that's good. It's always nice to be pain-free. Powerlifting pain-free, I like that as a title. There. Now we got the state record holder in our office. There we go, good. Yeah. One more, right there. Alright. Good. Looking good there too. That hurt at all?
No.
Slide down this way just a little bit there. Good. Okay, let's turn you on your back now. There we go. Now side about 1 inch. That's good. Yep. You know, for a lot of people, this is the adjustment that helps them the most with that low back and pelvic pain. There you go. Good. Okay, let's see what he's at. Yeah, adjust it. Good. Okay. There. Yep. Okay, I'll stand up here and shoot you now. Okay, Let's have you flex your head forward and backwards again, Craig. We're a little forward to the right. Now you're right down the gut. That's good. Pull this one up, push that just now look up, feel a little tap there. There you go. Good. Okay, let's have you flex forward and backwards. And then neutral. Yep, good job. Very good. So if you want to participate in your sports activities pain-free, chiropractic's a good way to do that, right?
Sure is.
All right. Thanks for sharing your story with us, and
All right.
congratulations
Thank you.
on your 2 new Texas records.
Thanks.
This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas, home of Super Bowl 51. We'll see y'all soon.